Hi, Peter here from sleepapneastop.com. This video is going to cover snoring and the emotional problems related to snoring. Watchers who themselves aren't snorers but have lived with or currently live with a first-class snorer might find themselves shedding a tear or two as they read this section. That's because often overlooked in the whole snoring discussion are those people who don't snore. These are the husbands, the wives, the kids, the nannies, the siblings, the in-laws, and even the neighbors who have found themselves on the receiving end of a chainsaw or lawnmower that tended to start around 10 p.m. and continued unabated until about 7 a.m. the following morning. For such people, trying to fall and stay asleep was not merely an exercise in stress coping, it was an exercise in crisis management. It is not at all overly dramatic to suggest that the emotional costs of snoring are as severe, or possibly even more severe, as snoring's physical toll. This is because snoring can lead to a disturbing array of emotional problems, including lack of sleep leading to depression and anxiety, mental breakdown and divorce due to lack of sleep and lack of empathy. Remember, the snoring partner often does not know the pain they are unwittingly causing. Eviction by a landlord and the resulting humiliation. This may sound funny, but some people have literally been kicked out of their homes because of their snoring. Warring roommates and neighbors. Job loss due to inability to concentrate and focus. Memory and retention problems due to sleeplessness. And within these problems, and this is just a simple list, an entire book can be filled to document the real-life emotional damage caused by snoring, are a host of painful mental states that infect both the guilty snorer and the enraged non-snorer. These unproductive emotional states include frustration, anger, feelings of violence, helplessness, desperation, anguish, exhaustion, growing resentment, and lack of confidence and self-esteem. And let's not forget the millions of non-snorers who drive cars or operate heavy machinery without a solid night of sleep. Some of them can, and regrettably do, put themselves and others at risk. Indeed, the emotional problems associated with snoring, unfortunately, less discussed, especially since the snorer himself or herself isn't aware that he or she is causing so much unintentional emotional damage. Yet, as you can easily see, perhaps even reflecting upon your own life, the emotional costs can be severe and incalculable. For more information on snoring and how to cure it once and for all, head over to our link just below this video, or visit sleepapneastop.com. Sign up for our newsletter and you'll get a free report on how to get a great night's sleep and a checklist to see whether or not your snoring is actually being caused by sleep apnea, a very serious medical condition. So just click on the link below and sign up for our newsletter. Thanks.